You can win when it comes to affiliate marketing. In today's difficult economy, many people are turning to affiliate marketing as a way to make some good money. The key to succeeding as an affiliate marketer is knowledge and education. It is necessary to learn about the best affiliate marketing strategies and apply this knowledge to your business. The following video contains some good affiliate marketing tips to help you get started. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, be sure to choose quality products to advertise. Remember, all of the recommendations that you make reflect directly back on you. Therefore, if you advertise an affordable and quality product, your customers or subscribers will trust your advice, thereby boosting your credibility. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, hone in on a niche market and provide your visitors with valuable information that will increase their confidence in you. Recommending quality affiliate products that your visitors are interested in will earn you money as well as increase your visitors' trust in you. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, ask for reviews of the affiliate product you are considering before you promote it. This will prevent you from losing credibility with your customers or subscribers by promoting a product that is subpar, and ensure that you advertise only high-quality items. Watch out for minimum rates. Some companies will charge you a monthly fee, but that fee may increase if they do not get the amount of buyers from your website agreed upon in your contract. Read carefully to find out what these fees are, as they are sometimes not clearly listed. To promote your affiliate marketing business, you should set up various URLs that point to your affiliate link. Web addresses that contain relevant search terms will show up higher in the rankings and entice people who are looking for more information about that term to click through and purchase. To promote your affiliate marketing products most effectively, you can write a free book or paper on the topic and give it away on your website. You can also convert it into Kindle format and offer it for little to no money on the Amazon site. This will create more interest in your product. Use auto-tracking software whenever possible. There is software out there that can download affiliate sales data and adjust the frequency at which an ad is shown in a rotation relative to its profitability. If an ad is consistently performing poorly, the software will alert you so you can dump it and put something potentially more profitable in its place. Set up an affiliate marketing system so that you can have affiliates promoting your videos for you. This is good for everyone because it helps promote your product or service and it helps the affiliates earn money. By delegating the job of watching your videos, you widen your circle of readers and followers. As was stated in the beginning of this video, in today's troublesome economic times, affiliate marketing can be a great way to make money. The way to succeed as an affiliate marketer is to educate yourself on the subject and learn the best and most effective affiliate marketing strategies. Apply the advice from this video and you'll be on your way to making big money as an affiliate marketer. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and Yahoo ranking system. 2. Finds untapped buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to Perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.